corn, and creamer. Hey y'all, we got Moe'S. Let me see this. So I got a stack from Moe'S with a double chicken. My phone's going dead, so this kind of like a rush fast mukbang. But oh, look at that! Of course, I got that queso. I ain't gonna lie, I think Moe's queso is better than Chipotle's queso. Argue with yourself about that. I got both rices, a double chicken. I got jalapenos, Chipotle ranch, corn, and creamer. Some water. Let's give it. I paid $3 for 2 meals. I don't know what the heck going on tonight, but what's that? What is shit good? I love that queso. Oh my god. Oh. What's spicy? Yeah, that's so good. I'm just like that. I'm full of fuck.